Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by placing the image where all machines can read it. Copy the final wallpaper, JPG or PNG, into a folder under /your domain, /sysvol /policies /wallpaper store so replication reaches all DCs. Once done, set NTFS and share permissions to allow domain computers read and domain admins modify. Make sure the path is fixed and uses a UNC path. You do this first because group policy reads sysvol. Without replication and correct permissions, clients won't get the file. Next, create a new GPO called Wallpaper GPO in Group Policy Management and link it to the OU with target users. Edit the GPO. Navigate to User Configuration Policies Administrative Templates Desktop Wallpaper. Set the policy to the UNC path in sysvol, choose Style, Fill, Stretch, Center, and enforce the setting. Make sure to use user configuration unless you plan loopback processing. After configuring, run Group Policy Modeling or Resultant Set of Policy to validate the intended scope. To finish, target a client and run gpupdate/force, then run gpresult/r to confirm the wallpaper policy applied. If the wallpaper doesn't appear, check that the client can access the UNC path directly. Open the file via /domain /sysvol to confirm. Also inspect Event Viewer for group policy errors and verify sysvol replication between domain controllers. One key troubleshooting tip: if the file is blocked by permissions or replication delays, the policy will apply but the image won't load. Fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.